King Elementary, a new elementary school. We're doing the underground plumbing and all the top rough plumbing for the building. Martin Mechanical, we're in charge of all the plumbing from start to finish, from the ground rough all the way to setting the fixtures and turning the building over. Mechanical contractor in Kansas City, Missouri. We offer pipe fitting, plumbing, hydronic piping, HVAC, sheet metal work, and really anything in the mechanical realm.
This is the Trimble. Basically, satellite locates all your piping. I've been doing it about 5 years now. Basically, you have control points around the project, and then you shoot them into your Trimble, and then it just finds where you're at. Favorite part about working here is my boss, Steven.
My favorite part about my role at Martin Mechanical is just seeing projects come out of the ground and turn over to a finished product for our customers.